Hi friends, this is Team AcoWebs with our plugin Woocommerce Custom Product Addons. Here we are actually going to give a demonstration about how to set up product options, based on product variations. Edit the created variation product. Set up the variations. Create a new form. Add a select field to the form. Configure the text field. Enable conditional logic and set it according to the variations. Publish the new form. Assign the new form to the product and exclude globally assigned form. Results can be seen. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact our support.